I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play the song Plush by Stone Temple Pilots. It's a originally electric song, and then they did an unplugged version on MTV that was also very, very popular on an acoustic guitar. So I'm going to play it on this hollow body with no distortion so you can hear the notes very clearly. It's the same chords on both versions. So it's a good first position chord song. If that's what you're working on, it'd be great for that. Other than that, it's just a great song. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us a lot. So let's get started with the lesson. The intro to this song kind of revolves around a D chord over here. So the first two notes are going to be the D or the B and the E string on the 3rd fret. You start on 2 and you slide up to 3. And you're going to play from the D string down on this. This is 3rd fret of the G, 3rd fret of the E string, and the 2nd fret of the B string. And from there, you take your 2nd and your 1st finger and you slide them both back 1 fret like this. And you keep your 3rd finger down here on the 3rd fret of the E. So. And from there, you just lift these 2 fingers off and keep your 3rd finger down here on the 3rd fret of the E. So you're going to strum, then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. The first time, you're going to have the B string open. Second time is going to be on the 1st fret of the B, and then the 2nd fret of the B. Then you start back from the beginning. You hit the first chord here. That is a G chord. 3rd fret of the E, 2nd fret of the A. These 2 fingers are going to go back on the B and the E. You're going to go. From there, you're going to put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Then your 1st finger is going to go over here on the 2nd fret of the A string. And you're going to keep your 3rd finger down here on the 3rd fret of the B. And after that, you're going to go to this F major chord, which is a bar on the 1st fret, 3rd fret on the A and the D, and then on the G string, you're going to put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret. From that, you're going to go to a C chord. That is the 3rd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the D, 1st fret of the B string. Okay, so it goes. Then you go to this chord. This is going to be a bar on the 3rd fret. Your pinky's going to go down here on the 6th fret of the A string. the 5th fret of the D string. So beginning to end, this is going to be. And you go back to the G chord again. From this chord, after 2 times, you go. Okay, so this is playing off of a D chord again. So you're going to have your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the B, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. First it plays just that chord. Then you're going to take your 2nd finger, you're going to put it on the 3rd fret of the A. Then you're going to take your 1st finger and move it over here to the 2nd fret of the A. Then you're going to hit it again. Does that a couple times, then it goes back to this chord here, which I don't know what it's called. It's some sort of a G chord, I think. And it goes back up to this F chord. Then it goes back to the intro. So in the beginning, they're going to do that. Then they're going to go through everything I just showed you again. But from this part, it's going to do this. That's going to be a G major chord. You're going to bar across the 3rd fret, hit the 5th fret on the A and the D string, and then you're going to put your 1st finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Then you're going to slide down 2 frets back to the F major. You're going to hit that C chord again. You're going to come down here and make a bar, not really a bar chord. I do it with 3 fingers. This is a D sharp. It's going to be the 6th fret on the A, 8th fret on the D and the G strings. Slide it down 1 fret to the 5th and the 7th. Back to the intro. ends with this single note, this G note on the high E string on the 3rd fret, and just hit all those 4 strings there, and it rings out, and that makes the end of the song. So that's the pieces and parts to this song. Like I said, if you really want to hear the notes clearly, there's an acoustic version of it that Stone Temple Pilots did, and makes me think that he probably wrote that song on an acoustic guitar originally, but on the record that it came out on, it's done with an electric guitar, so it sounds really nice. So hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe to our video, or our channel. It's completely free, and it helps us out a lot. Thank you, and have a great day.